What are some popular trends in bathroom remodeling this year? As the world goes towards sustainability, eco-friendly materials and the natural color palette are in the top list. This year, designers agree on minimalistic aesthetics as the hottest trend. Functional space with sufficient storage and natural design elements are in the limelight. While considering an overhaul, take note of the trends in bathroom design. Timeless solutions. Some trends come and go, but there are timeless design solutions that remain popular for a long time. Typically, they include off-white tones, classic shapes, and a nature-based color scheme. Personalized features. People tend to make bold choices that reflect their personality. Custom patterns on vanities and handmade tiles are definitely in trend. Chic accessories and fixtures are also gaining popularity. Wood vanities. Well, it comes as no surprise that wood is the #1 choice. However, dark wood finishes were replaced by lighter tones and fluted or geometrical patterns. Open layout. Specific design techniques, illumination, and colors can make a tight bathroom look visually larger. For instance, plenty of light, off-white tones, and a frameless show unit create an illusion of a larger space. Nature-inspired palette. The clear trend of the last few years is close to nature. This includes more natural materials, clear lines, and down-to-earth colors. Stylish accessories. New fixtures can do a trick, allowing a bathroom to look more modern. Stylish vanity handles and fixtures add an authentic feel to the interior. Many experts include black fixtures, particularly in a matte finish, to the list of bathroom trends for the coming years. Built-in technologies. Smart lighting systems, remote-controlled sanitary equipment, automatic toilet seat warming, opening, and closing, and other touch-controlled options are getting more and more popular. Bathroom upgrades with the highest ROI. Bathroom renovation has proven to provide a high ROI, however, you have to plan strategically. The average ROI falls between 70% and 75%. So, what changes will upscale the home value? Cosmetic changes. Avoid layout changes as they are usually pretty costly and require time-consuming and expensive plumbing work. Durable materials. Energy-saving stylish fixtures, lights and accessories. Opt for a neutral, unobtrusive color palette, which is always in trend. Flooring. Outdated flooring can destroy the overall look. So, changing worn-out flooring will definitely pay off. What bathroom colors never go out of style? There are two essential components of the timeless bathroom design: neutral colors, simple, unobtrusive design. To achieve a timeless look, opt for off-white, beige, gray, or taupe colors. The balance is the key. Harmonized, neither too light nor too dark, shades never go out of style. For example, the warm white and soft gray combo is considered the evergreen classics. Other timeless color solutions include creamy white and mocha, black and white, beige and aqua. These combinations are winners and don't look outdated over time. Experiment with lighting, fixtures, and accessories. They add character and determine the style. The clean and classic foundation provides myriad options for a contemporary look. Whenever you plan home upgrades, contact Groisman Construction, a San Diego-based remodel company with 20+ years of experience.